Welcome to the first episode of this new series, fellow Roblox creators. Today, we're stepping into the world of simulator development. This series will guide you through the process of crafting your own virtual realm, and will explore how to bring your Roblox simulator ideas to life. In today's video, the only thing we're going to be covering is Cash. Let's start by adding a script into the server script service. This script will be the script that handles a player's data when they leave and join. The script's code is in the description. I will leave some comments in it to give you a better understanding of what it does. If you test it, you will notice that your data is not actually getting saved. This is because Studio does not account for saving data during testing if you don't publish your game and enable a certain setting. To allow data saving during testing, we first have to publish our game, then enable the setting that grants Studio access to API services. We should be good to go now. If you want to see the changes, make sure you edit your cache on the server side, like I did, or else it won't save. Now you can see that it has saved. This episode was just an introduction to this series. The next few episodes will contain a lot more progression. We've just scratched the surface of what's to come, so stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe.